Hello and welcome once again back to my channel for yet another unboxing of the Nomadik subscription box for June of 2020. Let's check out this month's theme. It is Summer Readiness. Let's get started. The first item in the box is a Empowered Lucci EMRG. This inflatable solar-powered lantern has a flashlight, an SOS beacon, a strobe light, and several other great features. I've had one of these in the past and I'm really interested and excited to check out the next version of this product. The next item we have in here is the Sun Company Outsider 4-in-1 survival tool. It has a easy to read compass, a survival whistle, a cushion mounted thermometer, and a flint rod and steel striker. So there is a steel here in the back and the flint striker, and it just clips together like that. Seems like it'd be real handy, and I'll throw it on one of my day packs. The next item up is a ScarH Labs Hydration Dix drink mix, a strawberry lemonade. Sounds delicious. The next item inside this box is a Scratch Hydration Drink Mix, Strawberry Lemonade. Sounds delicious. And also a Scratch Labs Energy Chews Sour Cherry. It's 50 milligrams of caffeine and 12 grams of sugar, a little bit of sodium, some calcium, and 2 servings per packet at 70 calories. That'll be handy to have the next time I'm out on trail. And the last thing in my packet appears to be a Opinel knife. Now, the box says this should be an Ace Camp 11-in-1 multi-tool. So I will find out what I can with this. I don't see myself carrying a knife like this, as it has no safety latch and can easily come undone, but I will find out more about this. So again, we got that knife, the newest version of the Lucci inflatable solar light and lantern, the EMRG, 2 Scratch Labs products, one a hydration mix and the other one energy chews, and the Sun Company Outsider compass, thermometer, fire starter, and whistle. Can't wait to try these out on trail, and we will see you next month. Bye bye.